Hey everyone, so I am going to attempt to make this corn husk doll kit from Tamed Wild. It's September 21st, and the Mabon Festival, the Mabon, what do you call it? The Mabon event, celebration, whatever, is coming up. So I want to get this thing made. I'm going to try it. I'm going to show you everything I do in making it. Here's what it looks like on the inside. I have never made one before, so let's get started and see how this turns out. Okay, so and I apologize for the lighting. In reading the directions, it says I have to soak the husks in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to do that first. We'll go step by step. So we're going to get some warm water and soak these husks. So to be a little extra cleansing, I'm going to go ahead and clean my roll. And then also my corn husks. You can barely see them. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, and I am getting the water ready. So I can just roll over here to the sink, which is running. I don't know if I need to like take them apart or what, but let's just go over here to the sink. This water is nice and hot, and I apologize for the lighting again. That water is nice and hot, nice and steamy. So let's get that going in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and get these down in the water so that they soak enough that I think I can get them apart and they're soft enough to work with. I'm not sure if I need to take them apart from each other, but I think I probably will. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, see, they're separating. Probably easier to get it going that way. All right. Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
All right, I'll be back. Okay, so it has been about, sorry about that, 15 minutes. And so what it's telling me to do is to stack 4 husks in a flat stack, one on top of another. Make sure the narrow, pointy end of the corn husk are all pointing up. So let's go ahead and get 4 husks in a flat stack. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Making sure that these are all pointing up. And then it says to, using your string, tie the narrow, pointy end together 1 inch from the top. I'm gonna grab some string. About 1 inch from the top. Alrighty. And from what I understand, it needs to be tied pretty tightly, so. One inch from the top. Okay. Cut this off. Alrighty. So I have done that. Cut this guy a little closer. All right. So from here, it says step 3, using your string, tie the narrow pointing end. We did that, 1 inch from the top. Step number 4, in each hand, grab 2 of the untied ends of the husk bundle, spread them apart, flip them over and back together so that your 4 husks are in a stack. The end you tied and step 3 is now tucked in the inside of the stack. So that to me basically means I am finding very carefully 1, 1, 2. Hold on. Maybe it'll be better if I lay them down. 2. 3 and 4. Being careful to not rip anything. And we are going to tie this again with the string. And I assume now this is my doll's head. It's a really thick string. Okay. Okay. So my doll now has a head, and her dress is, oops, don't want to rip it. Okay. I'm not artistic. This is what we got so far. And then it says, lay down the doll on a hard surface, about an inch from the top of the husks, the end that is tied off and tucked under. This creates the doll's head. Lay the doll on a hard surface like a countertop. Grab the 2 layers of husk, pull them away from the bottom 2 layers. Okay, I get it. So we're basically placing, I think we're making arms here. So we're gonna do, let's get these smaller ones here. I think we're doing this. Place these together. I don't know about that, we'll do that. And I've seen other videos, but I've never made one of these before where you kind of roll them up. And then I need to find these 2 layers here where they separate, which looks like it's right about here. And put that in the middle. Stick that up there to make my doll's arms. Trying to make it even. All right. Tie again. Ooh. I don't really like how thick the string is, but whatever, it is what it is. So there's that. And then I think we're going to, let's see here. Tie a string on the main part of the body of the husk. I just did that. Fluff out the bottom to create the skirt. Well, you know what? I have like this left. Like I'd like to make something long and pretty for her. Wouldn't that be cute? Maybe I'll do that. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna put 1 more husk on each side because look how pretty that is. I'm gonna make her an apron. And it's not gonna be that very fluffy, but still. Let's get this up here. Look at that, wouldn't that be pretty? And then we can cut off the rest. And I'm gonna tie it in the front. So let's do that. I hope I have enough string to tie you. Ooh, that's gonna be tight. All right. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Hold on one moment, I'll be right back. So I got a little bit of string. I have leftover string from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and tie some more string on her tightly here. She's got 3. And maybe I'll make her a really pretty little bow. Cut that off. Make her a cute little bow. Let's do that. Oh, look how cute she is. And then I'm also going to tie off her hands. Can you see that? Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Tie off her hands so she actually looks like she has hands. Give her some bows there too. Oh, look how cute she is. And one more little bit here. And we'll do that. And tie those off. Oh. My fingers don't want to work. There we go. And give her a bow here. Oh my goodness, how cute is she? Okay, I don't love this thing in the middle, but you know what? It is what it is. I'll tuck that in. Okay. It's like a really big belt. Alrighty. And then, I mean, she looks pretty even. I'm kind of digging her. I kind of wish I could give her some hair. But yeah, there she is. That is my little girl. I could probably even this up or make it shorter, but I actually kind of like it the way it is. So there's my little corn doll. She stands up. Isn't she cute? I'm naming her Mabon. Anyway, so yeah, that's a cute little kit. You could probably go get a tamale kit or something at the grocery store, but that's a cute little kit. I'm glad I did it. And I wish everyone a happy fall. So this is how she turned out. Isn't she just cute as can be? She looks really cute out here with my fall decor. But yeah, she is adorable. I'm quite happy with her. I hope she holds up pretty well. And yeah, she looks great. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Happy fall, you guys.